think about that look right there, that view. I'm getting real close to finishing on this turbo kit, guys. It's been a while since I updated you on the car. Actually, I got the downpipes finished and the exhaust almost done. Sorry guys, just wiping it up. Yeah, right now I actually thought it was a good time to start filming. I got one of the wastegate merges actually made. Take a look at that, guys. Got some pretty good diamonds on it. So right now I'm gonna be welding this Motion Raceworks flange right up there. And yeah, man, I got it all cut out and fit up pretty good. Take a look at the hole, it's pretty nice. And you get some good flow. Let's see if you can see down there. And let me see where it goes, right there. Pretty good. So I'm gonna do a little cleanup. It looks like I have a little more cleaning to do. But let me show you guys the downpipe, guys. I'm loving how it came out. So you guys see it's real tight down here. We got plenty of clearance on the steering rack. You guys see I got the X pipe in. Stock location. V-banded up. And it goes all the way up. And we got some good clearance, fellas. So it's looking good. Alright, she's all tacked up. Let's see what we can do. See where our skills can take us. Looking pretty good though. Alright guys, there you have it. Got the piece all welded up. And let's put that baby on and see what it looks like, alright? I'm liking it. Alright guys, let's check it out. You see how it looks, guys? I just took the fender off right now to check it. It's perfect. Still fits on the inside. Make the exhaust go down, or you know, it'd be cool if we made it go out there, guys. That would be awesome. But we live in Cali, so I don't know, man. Anyways, I'll keep going to the next side, and we'll see how that looks. All right. All right, fellas, look who's back. Our favorite little silver notch. Motor, everything is good, guys. He's not back for any of that. He's back for fucking maximum suspension. Coilovers in the front. Rear, we're keeping the springs. And my man's got a little list for me. So we're gonna go down that list, guys. Make it faster, make it better. And he wants to make a couple shows this year, so this car is definitely capable, guys. Take a look at those pinch welds right there. Ooh. So you guys see we kind of wire tucked already one side, and he wants me to do this side and get rid of the mess over here. So that's what we gonna do next, guys. Here's my guy Steven's car. What are we doing over here? Custom brake lines?
Yeah, just gotta remove the
We did disc brakes in the front, wheel woods, full suspension. We did the vintage air, and that's all running good. All the belts and pulleys lined up. That was kind of, you know, funky for us. We're not the Chevy guys, but I used to do a lot of shit on Chevys, so just getting back into it. There it is, brothers on that, and a little more on the Cobra. I got this wastegate all finished. You guys seen that? The exhaust all done. And I'm waiting on one more wastegate my buddy Chris sent out to me. He plugged it, guys. Can't thank my guy enough. So just waiting for that. I got this little exhaust right here for the wastegate. And man, I've been thinking about making that exhaust come out right here, but what do you think, Fish, if I make that exhaust come out the fender or the front bumper? Are you too loud or what?
Right out the front?
Right here? Just the wastegate exhaust though. That'd be kind of dope, huh?
Something that I would never see. I haven't seen it.
That'd be dope. Put one of those like metal flanges on the outside. It looks like a star, carbon fiber or something. Yeah, we're just trying to be different with this one, guys. I mean, we're already being different by staying Ford motor in it, right? Or a small block Ford. Everybody's going to Coyote or LS. But yeah, guys, little update for you guys on the shop. A little Monday, and we're back at it. All right, fellas, here we go. You got a suspension in, new shocks, upper arms and bushings. You already had the panhard bar, so we're gonna move on to the front. K-member and the goodies now. I'm gonna secure his motor and see if we can drop everything out and roll it all out in one piece. So it's about that time, fellas. About to drop the K-member. Get this nice Maximum Motorsport going in there. I actually wanted to stop and make a little service advisory. You guys see this little turbo line, drain line right here? That's that stock rubber on 3. I never like putting that on, but here's the reason why. You see that, guys? It has a fucking tear in it up there, and that could have been pretty bad. You know, if this oil would have gotten on this exhaust and everything would have got hot, could have been a bad day for my guy. So put you guys on a time lapse and we're gonna drop this K-member, all right? Keep doing this, Brutus. There it is, the carcass that is the stock K-member. Alright, guys, time for this one. Alright, fellas, check this out. God, this is so beautiful. I just love new stuff. Putting it in and it ain't mine, it feels good though. And the shaft, of course. Good old Maximum shaft. But anyway, guys, got the Bilsteins assembled, and I'm gonna go to lunch and drop these in after. All right, fellas. All right, fellas. We got the trusty Lincoln out. My man, he didn't like these Pro XS. Anyway, gonna have me fit these in MagnaFlows, and we'll see if he likes these. They're bullet mufflers. He wanted it louder, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna run better and be louder, guys. So keep it tuned. We'll burn them in, and we'll see how she sounds. On the angle of the dangle. Left-handed. Alright, buddy. There it is. MagnaFlows. She gonna sound good. Got some good welds. Won't say any names of who welded that. Anyway. It's looking pretty good, guys, so we'll give her a start and see what she sounds like. Alright, fellas, you guys see that crack? That thing was straight leaking. That's the stock on 3 return line, guys. Never do that. Never ever do that. I gotta get some good line. Keep tons of this shit in stock. There you go. Done deal. Put this up there, guys, and we'll take a listen and see. Alright, guys. Get you a steel braided line and some heat sleeve. It's gonna be running right next to that hot piping. And you should be good to go. Right into the oil pan. So give us a second and we'll have her fired up, fellas. See what she sounds like. You excited, Fish?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Alright, fellas. Alright, fellas. So we went from, I think it had 9 pounds in it, huh? And we added like
4 pounds?
We added 3 pounds, right?
3 pounds?
So we're going from 9 to 12. So he's gonna enjoy his power on the silver coupe, and now we're putting it back together, but of course one of the bolts was missing, so there's another little thing we're doing for him. Is you want a little more power, and don't we all? So there it is, little spring install. We got a spring kit for him, and we should be feeling a lot more power, fellas. All right, we'll see how it feels. All right, guys, here she is, all back together. We're about to fire her up. You all ready?
Ready.
All right, guys, take a little listen. Sit, fire her up, boy.
Go.
Oh yeah. Nice and deep, huh? There it is. Sounds good, huh?
Way better.
Way.
Quiet.
What you think? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, guys. I think I'm gonna end this one right here for you guys. We still got a lot more work to do on this car. Like I said, he's gonna go to a few shows, and he might come to the track and even the dyno with us. So yeah, man, glad to have Jason on part of the team or crew, you know, the cars we've built, because seems to be running really good, and he just keeps doing all the right things to it, and the car only keeps getting better. So there you go, Jason. I hope you like it, and you're gonna like it even better when you're in the seat taking off. So there it is, guys. Take a look at her. So this side is tucked, and the next time you see it, this is all gonna be tucked up too.
Why you upset like Cinderella teens? You should see the things I finish inside these denim jeans. I can't associate with y'all, this shit like ketamine.